I'm about to start off the vlog, but as you guys can see, we're currently in a private location. Got the nice little Porsche, bro. He's been doing pulls all night, bro. This thing is crazy. Jeez. But we have BMW M3 right here. We have the crazy loud Mustang right here. Cat dump, extremely loud M4. A bunch of beaners right here. And then we have another M4 right here. We have an R8. We have a Mustang. You guys know Lavish. And then we have his Corvette right here. M340i. M340i. And then, of course, my car. And then you guys just heard the Porsche right now. We have a crazy lineup tonight. Definitely going to be doing some nice little races. I'm excited. I don't know who I'm going to run. Oh, no. Oh, no. My ears, bro. Ears, bro. It's about to hurt so much, bro. Oh my gosh. So loud, bro. Bro. When he revs it, it's so loud. From the front and from the back too. Because he has blow-off valves and they're so loud, bro. They're so loud. I can't do this anymore, bro. My ears are actually gonna like explode. I don't know if camera does justice or not, but holy crap, bro. His car is loud from the front and from the back, bro.
It's just like straight sound.
Loud.
Straight loud.
Hey, average Mustang driver, bro. Dead ass, bro. Mustang, like that's the one reason why I actually wanted a Mustang, because they're just so loud. I don't know why they're so loud. 5.0.
Yeah.
Well, I have a 6.3 liter, so why is?
I know, but
or 6.2.
Mustangs, they're not.
NA.
They're NA, yeah, exactly. But his is supercharged. It makes it like. It gives it like.
Blow off valves too.
My ears down.
Jeez, bro. I'll catch you guys once we get on the road, because we have a nice little interesting drive, bro. This is actually about to be crazy. Hey, Beverly Hills, you were not ready for us, bro. Like, let's play the game right now. Last time we had a cruise to Beverly Hills, we got state rep, so I wonder if he's gonna be going back, but we have a crazy lineup, boys. Look at that. Woo! And we have one more person on the way too. Got my boy SRT Willow on the way, so yeah. 2 Hellcats? Yeah, 2 Hellcats and hella BMW, so we put him belt to ass tonight. You drive that? Belt to ass, like this. Wang, 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 like that. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Should I rep my shit?
What do you think is louder?
Here's or who?
I don't know who's louder. Hey, bro, look at how skinny his top.
Yeah, Jack set up. Should I rep my shit?
Driving? Side to side. I mean, yeah, if you want.
Low-key. Holy shit! Fucking. My fault. Oh hell nah! Wait, look at, dude! What the? Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
More up?
Bro.
Yeah, go.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, fuck it. Bro, he's bringing the fucking property value down, bro. Look at this. Hey, this is not coming out. You think so?
Not coming out.
Maybe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're cooked, gang.
It indented.
It's okay, bro. This is a historical event right here.
Bro, look at
Yeah.
this.
Hey, Alex, look. Look at this. Look at the concrete.
Yo. Holy fuck.
What the fuck?
No, it's an actual crater, brother.
It looks like eyeballs.
That's why my neck hurts.
Oh my god.
Say that 5 times fast. My neck hurts. My neck hurts.
Wait, why you make me do that? That has 2 craters in there.
That shit is crazy.
Yo. Yes, sir. Property value going down.
Shit. Shit's already down. It's already fucking downtown LA.
Yo, all right, bro. Hey, property may be down. Wait, I may be down, but I'm never mind.
You're real straight up.
Bro, I'm gonna put you.
Hey, look, the BMW goes with the Hellcats, bro. That's crazy, dude. This car flew to my head.
It did. A rock flew to your head.
Yes. It flew to my fucking head, bro. It flew to his head. I don't know if you were X-Drive, you were built up to like 600.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, sir.
Have fun.
About to go do hood rat activities.
Oh my gosh.
I can't get over the fact he blew a hole in it.
Yeah, it's cooked, bro. Oh my gosh. Nice, bro. 40 minutes late. Nice.
Hey, I just got
Good
off
work.
the plane and it's rushed right over
Nah,
here.
bro, you need to hurry up, bro. Next time you need to like tell the pilot, hey man, I got something to do, bro. That ass.
For real, Beverly?
We all going to Beverly. Oh, we're going to Beverly Hills after this, Rodeo Drive. Who do you think is gonna get impounded first? Somebody's getting impounded. Out.
Shit, I ain't got no registration, so probably me.
Shit. And you're black too.
Oh,
Double
that's
whammy.
He's still bigger, bro.
I'm ex-military, so I'll probably be good. Get out of
Oh,
it.
you're ex-military? You're chilling, bro.
That's
That's a cheat code, low-key.
Hey, don't start talking crap. Huh? Don't start talking crap. Come
That's
on,
you
look,
right there?
That's him. That's him right here.
Hey,
This is you?
Yeah, that's me.
That weak shit.
What the fuck is going on? Holy shit. Bro, hey, so this is out gonna be like fucking, I don't even know, like bomb going
rattles
off.
your brain,
Like
bro.
a bomb going off, not even like cars.
Atomic bomb, bro.
That ass fucking shooting, fucking bombing.
Holy fuck.
God damn, I don't even know if I want to rev it no more, bro. I'm chilling, like fucking. Hey, we outside all night, bro. We don't sleep, gang. We do straight content, bro. That ass. But yeah, pop that hood like a little good boy. God. Look at this stuff, bro. God damn. It's crazy, bro. Holy crap. And we haven't even gotten on the road yet. Like, we're still just chilling in the parking lot right now.
Look at my top. YouTube, if you're watching this right now, this is a controlled, safe environment performed on a private racetrack. Nothing crazy is going on here right
Stop
now.
the
Yep, bro. Nah, I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass. All right, boys. I'm gonna be honest. No lying. He's gonna do a launch for me. We're gonna do a few launches, and I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I'm super excited because, as you guys know, I really want to sell my freaking Hellcat so bad, bro. I'm so tired of being black. I want to like join like a different team, bro. Like literally so bad. But let's see. Let's see. I Aventador. Holy shit. Nah, that low-key pulls. It feels like a go-kart. It feels like a fast go-kart. It feels like a supercharged go-kart. What? Okay, ready? All right, let's go. Wait. I'm gonna go on my phone too. I'm gonna dual record. I got you with the double angle right now. Double angle. Wait for it. There you go. Bro. Oh, wait, I felt the blood like rushing up my feet. Like that ass, bro. That shit was like lucky dopey back. I ain't gonna lie. That shit pulls, bro. Wait, why did it stop like that? Was it trying to get traction? No, I braked. Oh. Oh my gosh, dude. It throws you back in your seat. That shit is crazy as freak. Let's try this real quick. Oh, nah. Try what, bro? Oh, hell no. Oh, no. I don't like trying new stuff, guys. Trying new stuff is bad. I haven't really. I'm finna scam all my customers, bro, so I can buy this like the new best. Wait. Oh, dude. Wait. Oh. Oh, fuck. Nigga, my camera dead smacked me in my face. Oh, seriously? Yes. Damn, nigga. All right, bro. I'm locked in now. Holy crap, bro. Hold on, bro. Fuck. Watch this. Ah! That shit doesn't want to fucking work, bro. What the fuck? Bro's gonna text me, yeah, bro. My car's back in the shop again, bro. Oh my god. Bro. Is it rubbing? What was that? What? Never mind. I'm tripping. Fucking gonna make me have a heart attack, bro. What the fuck? No, you're good. Oh my gosh! You next? What's up?
You mind if I drive it and shit?
Oh, you wanna drive it?
With tranquis, like I'm not gonna, you know, it's just a little.
How about you go with me first? You go with me first, and then you get a feel. Okay, all right, bet.
Wait, there's seats in the back or not?
No. It's a two-seater. Bro, what?
My bad, bro. My bad.
Trippy.
Is there seats in the back? What, bro?
Hey, bro, this thing is crazy as It's crazy as fuck, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, my camera did not smack me in my face, bro. Bro did not give me no type of heads up at all, bro. Bro, heads up, bro. He didn't give me a heads up, bro. Chill, bro. Hey, yo, gang.
Why you want
to do I'll start. No. Wait. Yeah. Actually, yeah. Wait. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the outside. From the inside, it's actually crazy as fuck, bro. Like, it's actually insane. It feels like a little fast ass go-kart, bro. Like on a real note. Watch this. No flash. Come on, bring it. Come on. Bro, this dude gave me no heads up, bro. Like my camera desk is like boom, like right in my face. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro. I feel like I'm. It's, never, bro. This is a lifestyle game. What do you mean when are we dipping? We outside, bro, all night.
What do you mean?
Wait, hold on, maybe I got a job. Uh-oh. That car is so loud, bro. Oblivion said he wants to drive it, so he's probably about to drive it right now.
Drive your car?
No, hell no.
Oh.
The Audi.
My mom asked me, like, what are all those sounds? I don't even know how to explain that shit to her.
Mom, we're just having fun. He better not do a pull. Fucking run us over. What?
I know like so much other cars do it. Cars are like tunes. They have to do it so the car keeps running. Like keep it at a certain RPM.
Oh, like my car.
Yeah.
Oh. 6.7, bro. Dear Bruce. We're about to launch it? Let's see. Bro, I almost smacked you on my camera, bro. Oh. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna just drive slow and take it around the block.
He's not driving.
Huh?